Okay, great season, girls. I enjoy being around you guys all the time and everything like that. You know, love every one of you.
All you 2015 softball players, I just want to congratulate you on a good season, and I think you've got a lot of talent, and we're going to go somewhere. There may be a few more losses than last year, but we have some bats that are going to be swinging, and we're going to go a long way. Good luck. We'll see you.
Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. Hoover fans, let's hear it for your 2015. Where my Vikings?
Called a fanatical fan. Gotta see my team whenever I can. Some folks just don't understand. When they call me that, it's a compliment. I love to stomp, I love to scream, I love to shake like a washing machine. I love to stomp, I love to scream, I love to cheer for my favorite team. There are many things that define my life and make me who I am. Like my wife and kids and the good Lord above. Yes, I'm a fortunate man. Then add in the game any day of the week and I'll be so content. As I cheer them on, making lots of noise with all my fanatical friends.
Hey! 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 I would like to thank my parents for always supporting me and my coaches for making me a better player. And my favorite memory would be getting to know all the girls and becoming more like a family. I'd like to thank my parents and all my family for supporting me. And my favorite memory would be pitching the shutout against Jackson. Yeah, I'd like to thank my parents for being so supportive, and I also like to give a special thanks to Coach Atwood for putting up with me for a year and a half and always giving me new things to work on and improve on. I'd say the whole season was full of memories because I've created stronger bonds with most of these girls. And thanks, Kim! Love ya! And I'd like to thank Veronica. I'd like to thank my parents and all the great coaches that helped me grow. And I would my most memorable moment was getting to meet all these great girls and Jessica, and Kylie. I'm good. I just want to thank my parents for being very supportive and coming to all of my games, and a memorable moment was my Grand Slam at Lake. Okay, I'd like to thank my parents for always supporting me, and especially my pappy for always bringing me water and letting me eat. I'd say my most memorable scenery, whatever, was when I lost my tooth at the game and I cried.
Go.
Tell me when to go. Lights, camera, action. What are you doing?
Go.
Oh. Okay. I'd like to thank my family for supporting me, and Lauren and the coaches for teaching me new things. And my favorite memory was digging Kylie's tooth out of the dirt.
I want to thank my parents for supporting me, my brother for coming to my games, love you, Joe, and my most memorable memory was beating Perry in 9 innings.
Okay, I want to thank my mom for coming to my game, sitting in center field. She doesn't use sunscreen, it's okay. I'd like to thank my dad for coming to every single softball game. I'd like to thank Seth for being my best friend, Zach for being coming whenever he wants. My favorite moment this year was playing wiffle ball and my team. Katie Young is the team captain, coming back and winning in the 7th inning.
Go.
Okay, I'd like to thank my parents for always coming to my games and teaching me what's right from wrong in softball. And my most favorite memory would be when I hit the double against Walsh and I secured the score for the game, our win.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
I'd like to thank my dad, Renee, and my grandpa for coming and supporting to every game and making me a better player, and my coaches also. And my favorite memory would be hitting a home run against Perry. Oh wait, I take that back.
I'd like to thank my mom and my dad for the support and the coaches for always helping us. And my favorite memory is being on the cover of the newspaper against Springfield when I slid in. So.
When it's softball.
Yep.
I'd like to thank my parents for always putting up with me and my mom for being my biggest supporter. I'd like to thank the coaches for teaching me how to be a great softball player. And then my favorite memory would probably have to be when I battled back from a 0-2 count to a 3-2 count to a base hit against the Walsh pitcher.
Okay, I'd like to thank my parents, Tom and Kathleen, and I'd also like to thank Coach Good, Coach Young, Coach Snyder, helping me this season, and then also Coach Atwood and Coach Downey for helping me in previous seasons. My favorite memory from this year was probably team nights that we had, eating out and hanging out together.
Nose ring. Infected nose. Get it out.
I don't know that that was the
The Snyder wants to rip out.
Okay. Oh wait, is it going?
Go.
I would like to. No, I can't. I can't do it. I would like to thank that. Ma, I don't know who I want to thank.
Oh my God.
I would like to thank my parents, Izzy and Zach and Coach Good and Snyder for being cool.
And your most memorable?
And my most memorable moment from softball is beating Walsh Jesuit and yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
take a break.
Swing, baby, yeah! Y'all ready for this?
Let the beat control your body. Let the beat control your body.
Let the beat, let the beat.
Let the beat control your body. Let the beat control your body.
Now let my beat control your body.
Smashing, baby!
1, 2, 3, go.
You remember? You got it! Y'all ready for this?
You got to move it, feel the temperature into the rhythm. Let the fire burn, so get into it, get into the trance. This is the rhythm of the tribal dance, the tribal
The Workaholic.
Let's go to work.
No limits, we'll reach for the sky. No valley too deep, no mountain too high. No limits, won't give up the fight. We do what we want, and we do it with pride.
Let me say yeah.
Y'all ready for this?
Summer power, twilight
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know, we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
tell you.
when I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh,